It's Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, good one. Let's see.
Assalamu alaikum. Oh,
Handsome people and
right? He's very happy. Exactly. Like handsome people and then the
And,
rest.
that's
That's the confidence we need. Yeah. I ate at a Indian and Pakistani restaurant. I know that right now you guys are not in good terms. But
Very friendly, like I have one in my class at the moment. He's super kind, and he keeps recommending restaurants to me, which I really love.
that's good. That's always good.
That's
Like the classical nen
naan. She ate naan also. Okay.
and rice, like kind of basmati with like different like.
Basmati rice. Oh, you know a lot. What about the guys?
I don't actually know anyone. Like
You know?
No,
You know?
I have a few Indian friends.
I know him. He's nice.
Well, yeah.
मेरे चैनल को subscribe करो.
अस्सलाम गाइस, तो मैं इत्तेवान में था हॉलोवीन के लिए. मैंने बहुत ही प्यारी, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत ही कूल फ्रेंड से मिला हूँ यहाँ इत्तेवान के अंदर. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव बी इन द वीडियो आल्सो. तो गाइस ये हॉलोवीन ऐसा मौका है जिसके अंदर सारे बहुत फ्रेंडली होते हैं. खैर, तो हियर वी हैव लियो and she's from Spain, and then we have John and she's from Germany. So first of all guys, would you like to just say hello?
Hi. Happy Halloween.
Hello, happy Halloween.
Would you like to say hello in my language? Do you know how to say hello in?
But we can try.
Okay, yeah. It's Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, good one. Let's see.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu?
Say it again.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
They're awesome. Wow, perfect. Like totally Arabic guys. Perfect. Okay, so the next thing is like, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan? So मैं पहले पूछूंगा लियो से. So Leo, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan? Food? What food do you think about Pakistan?
I ate at a Indian and Pakistani restaurant. I know that right now you guys are not in good terms, but like
she knows a lot.
in here, like usually they're together. Like usually they have not like only Pakistan or only Indian. They have them together.
Yep.
And I ate there, and it's just so good. Everything I ate was very good. But
Do you remember the name?
Well, I ate a lot of like different curries, but not like the one in Korean, like spicy ones. And there was a green one, a red one with shrimp and stuff. And then I ate like the classical nen
Naan. She ate naan also. Okay.
and rice, like kind of basmati with like different like.
Basmati rice. Oh, you know a lot. So I guess I should move to John. So John, yeah, what do you think? What was the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about Pakistan?
I'm like stuck in here with you.
I don't want to be like controversial or anything, so I think I'll stick with food as well. So like
We're boring.
Well, but for me, in my hometown, there's actually quite a few Pakistani restaurants. But I haven't been yet because I moved to England and then I moved here. So there was like really not much time. But here, I've also noticed that they put them together for some reason, like India and
we
Pakistan.
were the same country
Also,
actually. We used to be.
fashion.
Well, yeah, but
I know about the traditional like clothing from
Right.
Pakistan. It's very pretty.
Oh really? Like the
Yeah.
wedding clothes or?
Yeah, the green one.
Green one.
It's so pretty, And I like the head pieces and like the hand pieces.
Hand pieces.
Oh, they're so
तो यार
pretty.
इनको जो चूड़ियां वगैरह होती हैं या जो गाय सर के ऊपर पहनते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा पसंद नहीं है. What about the guys?
I don't actually know anyone. Like I
You know?
No, I have a few Indian friends.
I know him. He's nice.
Well, yeah,
You're nice.
I've met you like 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, that's true.
So you haven't met any other Pakistani guy before?
No, I have Indian friends, but I've never met anyone from Pakistan.
How about Indian guys? Are they?
They're very friendly, I have one in my class at the moment. He's super kind, and he keeps recommending restaurants to me, which I really love.
That's good. That's always good.
That's cool.
Food recommendation.
And he introduced a lot of his culture to me, which is really interesting as well.
I mean, I know like a couple like Indian guys that are very handsome and like some that are like just normal, but in every country you have handsome people and not handsome people. So I don't think you can say like, oh,
Handsome people and
right? He's very happy. Exactly. Like handsome people and then the
And,
rest.
That's the confidence we need.
Yeah. Like bro, rap
I
someone
aspire.
else.
Thanks.
Come on. We need
Thanks
some
a lot.
confidence.
Yes.
anyways, yeah, that's it. Just one thing, like would you like to say, like subscribe my channel in my language, like subscribe to my channel?
Yeah, sure.
It is
Slowly.
मेरे channel को
मेरे चैनल को
subscribe
सब्सक्राइब
करो.
करो
मेरे channel को
मेरे चैनल को
subscribe करो.
What is the last word?
करो.
करो
करो.
Karo.
करो.
मेरे चैनल
मेरे
को
channel को
सब्सक्राइब करो
Subscribe करो. So guys, let's see. 1, 2, 3. That's it. You guys did really good. Yeah, let's do it one last time, okay? मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, okay?
मेरे
चैनल
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो.
So 1, 2, 3.
मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो.
Oh my God! Thank you so much. Muchas gracias, amiga. Thank you so much. Okay.
Deutsch.
Vielen Dank.
Vielen Dank.
Vielen Dank.
Vielen Dank.
Yeah.
Vielen Dank, my German friend. Thank you so much.
We're international here.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you.